Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to get Instagram followers. So I just opened up my Instagram. And as you can see, I'm on account right now. I'm gonna show you how you can actually add unlimited Instagram followers completely for free. The first step you want to do is go on your internet browser and go to the website appsmod.top/insta. So the link is on the screen. So once you get onto the website, you want to go ahead and enter your Instagram username. Make sure you type it in correctly. Press connect. Press continue. And then all you still have to do is select how many followers you want. You can do this multiple times, so you just have to follow the step exactly. Verify that this is actually you or actually human. So it's gonna say to prevent robot abuse of our generator, click verify. To complete the process, you need to install 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Usually just need keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. And finish this up really quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Instagram account. And we go to my profile. As you can see, the followers did come. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time, see you.